Maiden Voyage in the Yak. Just getting out here with my friends Braden and Devin. Trying to get some trout today, the old river. Water's pretty clear. That's good.
That is over. Dude, you hear that one over your head?
I could hear it. Keep your head down. Get in your kayak. Keep your head down. I could hear that fucking bullet whiz.
Yeah, it went right over.
I got that on camera.
Didn't it go right over us? You hear it?
Yeah, I literally heard. Did you not hear a whiz?
I heard it.
Sounded like a fucking rocket. I tell you, keep paddling. Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh, I mean to net it. Take the net. You still got it? It's that big?
It's fat as fuck.
Oh no, here, Devin.
He looks cool too.
I'm trying. Here you go. He's got him. Sheesh, that thing's fucking fat as frick. Here you go. Take the net.
Why don't you just go to that?
Here, we're fine right here. I got you. Sheesh, we got one decent trout the whole day so far.
Made the whole video right there.
That's probably 16.
Oh yeah.
I might throw on a spinner.
That's what I'm doing right now. I already was.
Hey, should we stop at this bank?
Yeah, we can just.
Here.
Oh, bank over there.
Is this yours? Yeah.
Over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it right here too if I can hold you here. How you feel, Braden?
Good.
Good.
Is it dead? Or did you put a new battery in?
I got a battery in. That thing is fat. Here, get her. You want pliers?
Yeah, did you have my pliers?
Yeah.
You look at him.
That thing is big.
Yeah. I'm usually like that's the size that swam past us.
Yeah.
But he might have been a little bigger.
Which one? This one or the other one?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, he's. Nah, this one's pretty big. I don't know.
The other one was fat as fuck. The fat.
Getting close to good old Lost. Jeez, get it right where you hooked him.
It's on like there. God, sit still.
All right, here.
There
Oh, you want a picture with it?
I don't care.
You don't care? You can just screenshot the video. Here. There we go.
That sucker was nice.
Yeah. Nice job, man. No longer skunked. We count catching a fish as a group, not getting skunked. I was just trying to guide today. That's why.
Yeah, he was trying to get.
Yeah, I was just trying to help my friends catch some fish, you know.
For the first time ever.
I'm trying to be a nice guy.
I understand.
Did you flip? No. Well, I guess it's spinner time. Cast right there where Braden casted.
Oh, I had one.
I knew it looked good there. Oh shit. You grilled in.
Got one.
No. You might get snagged on me. Oh no, we're good. Here, bring him over, bring him over. Bring him over. Bring him over. Oh. Another toad.
You can let him go. I don't care.
You don't want the picture?
How big is he?
Maybe
14, maybe.
13.
He's pretty fat.
Yeah.
I knew there was gonna be a fish right there when I saw like it dropped off.
Yeah, I know.
I got
Braden's just so good at fishing. It's no wonder he could carry Shane.
and he's in the front.
Yeah, he's always. I don't think he hasn't been in the front yet. It's freaking shallow. I just had like a perfect cast.
Yeah, I know. Me too.
Oh, it was a bad cast, but. Oh, right here, it's getting dropping off a little bit here.
I think it's deeper now.
Oh yeah.
Now my arms are sore. And now my kayak's moving too fast for me to reel.
What are you doing?
I'm snagged on something.
I think you're snagging yourself.
You have it?
No, it's snagged.
But you first.
Probably on bottom. Since I couldn't reel fast enough as my kayak was moving.
Oh, pheasant.
There's something rumbling up in right here.
Oh.
This is so shallow.
Really?
I'm gonna catch one in front of this tree.
Oh yeah. That's sick.
And it just drops off. Drop-offs are kind of scary. Oh my, it drops off fast, doesn't it?